Okay, so congratulations to all of you who've downloaded your free Connect wallet to hold your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. Let me see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Green, Arcade, and Winx. Okay, so these are the coins that we're storing. These are the coins that are listed on the dashboard and the prices. You can see that Bitcoin is going up. So for the day, so far. And what you want to do is, so many people forget to do this step that they leave themselves open for basically their own security breaches on their own wallet or their own phones or their own technologies. So we want to make sure that you set up your wallet and you make sure that you have the best security that's available, to make sure that you're protecting what you have. Okay, so you register with your email, it tells you there, and you will get alerts there. So you know that that email is associated with that wallet. Obviously, you can have more than one wallet you can have one wallet per different email. Don't recommend people having more than one or two. And then you want to add the number that's associated with your phone that you use for the account. Now, we've already set up a wallet password, as you've seen, and an account password. We've already done that in the first video. Now you want to make sure that you go in and you do two-step verification. Google or Authy or Microsoft Authenticator, you can use all of these three, but I'm going to read this out loud to you. Take the following steps to enable two-factor authentication and add greater security to your wallet. So you're going to download the app, and then you're going to hit continue. So whatever one you choose, I use Google, I used to use Authy, I don't use Microsoft. For me, it's just, I'm only going to talk to you guys about Google because that's what I'm using right now. So I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to go from my phone. I've already downloaded the app. That's what I clicked on, right? So you guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm going on my phone. I'm clicking the Google Authenticator, and I am going to open up and I'm going to scan this barcode to pair it up for safety. Okay, so I'm just done that. Now it's populated a new authenticator wallet synchronicity with this particular wallet on my phone, and it's given it the name of the email that's associated with this wallet. So I'm gonna hit continue. Now, whenever anybody like has to try to log in, they're gonna need this information to get in. So don't lose your phone, okay? And it's telling me right now what the numbers is. And I want to also help you guys understand something. There's about a minute window that all the codes change for every wallet. This is just making sure that you can't just leave one authentication code out there. So about every minute, a new code propagates for you. So if you're getting close to the 3, 2, 1 countdown, just wait. It's going to turn from blue to red when it's getting down to that last minute. Seconds of the minute, and then it turns into a new blue code. So you can see now I have two-factor authentication. It's been enabled. So now I've just added a layer of security. Anytime that I log into my wallet, I need to have this verification code. And don't be shocked, you guys. It is going to change every minute. So take your time to get it right and articulate that correctly. And then now I'm going to, as you can see, I've added no Bitcoin to this wallet. I want to make sure that my wallet's going to be protected. Nobody can hack my wallet, and that I keep my private keys. I've written them down, my public keys and my password. And that way, if I ever lose my password, forget it. I could always go back to the email that it was associated with the account for the wallet. And then I can also get my security keys, and make sure that I have that correct. So now, I will do adding my Bitcoin. So if I wanted to add Bitcoin, I would just take this address, or I would scan from my phone from my other wallets that I have on my phone, and then I could send the amount. Okay, so you can put, let's see what this is, $34. Oh, that's 34 Bitcoin. So 34 Bitcoin at this very moment is $240,550.26. I'm not sending that, but you could also change it from USD values. If I wanted to send $50, That's what I could send. Okay. So guys, play around with it, get familiarized with it. Make sure whenever you are using a copy address is really good. But if you try to, like miss a letter, one thing that, or a number that sucks. Okay. One thing you want to be sure of is there's a couple of different Bitcoin wallets. There's Legacy, SegWit, whatever. Okay. But these are ones Bitcoin wallet addresses that I'm familiar with because I've been around so long usually and that I've been using. Like Blockchain has been my preferred wallet. Now Connect is going to be my preferred wallet and the ones that I share with people. You want to make sure that the address starts with a 1 or a 3 and there's like a BCH something one. Again, I'm learning about all these other things. I do for me what works and I teach for me for others what has worked. And so that's what I'll stay in my lane on that type of stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for protecting your own account. We'll be putting up more videos on YouTube and have a good day.